welcome. My name is Shakira Rahim, and I'm pretty nervous and excited. This is my first homemade video of stretching and really breathing. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, and I think it's important to really listen to ourselves and our breaths when we think about gratitude and what that means for us. It's a crazy year, there's a lot going on, and I'm hoping that you can take time out to love and care for yourself with me. So, welcome. I guess. Alhamdulillah. I have allergies, y'all. It's real. And that's been a while. Okay. So, we're going to start off on our backs. Really in Shavasana. Alhamdulillah. And what you want to do is let your toes stick out. Relax your body.